Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital. In this video, I'll compare Airtable and Google Sheets, two prominent data management tools in the digital workspace. Both Airtable and Google Sheets have features that enhance collaboration and productivity, yet each one has its own distinct strengths and weaknesses. We'll explore these to help you choose the best one for your needs. So, let's get started. Airtable provides a blend of spreadsheet simplicity with database power. It allows users to transform data into actionable views like list, timeline, Gantt, and more. One of its most powerful features is the ability to link records from one table to another, creating relationships between them. On the other hand, Google Sheets is a well-known spreadsheet tool with robust features, such as data sorting, formula creation, chart generation, and conditional formatting. What sets it apart is its real-time collaborative editing feature, allowing multiple users to work on a sheet simultaneously. When it comes to ease of use, both platforms are user-friendly. Airtable's interface is intuitive, allowing users to customize their workspace and view data in various formats. Google Sheets, being a part of the Google Workspace, offers a familiar interface that is easy to navigate, making it a go-to for many for basic data organization and analysis. Airtable shines in the area of templates. It provides a variety of customizable templates for different use cases, helping users kickstart their projects quickly. Google Sheets also offers a range of templates, but they are more focused on traditional spreadsheet use cases like budgeting, project management, and scheduling. Integration is a key strength for both platforms. Airtable integrates with many popular web apps, including Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Google Sheets, being a part of Google Workspace, naturally integrates seamlessly with other Google applications and also supports connections with numerous third-party apps. So, choosing between Airtable and Google Sheets depends on your specific needs. If you require a flexible tool that can adapt to various use cases with the power of a database, Airtable might be the ideal choice. However, if your work involves straightforward data organization, analysis, and real-time collaboration, Google Sheets would arguably be a better fit. Both Airtable and Google Sheets offer unique strengths. Your choice should align with your specific needs and the nature of your team's work. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found this comparison useful and learned something new. So, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.